Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this TOSCIDO M863 tablet, and let me show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, we're gonna somehow go to the Wi-Fi settings page. The simplest and quickest way to do that is swipe down from the top part of your display in order for the notification and control center to appear. Here, tap and hold the Wi-Fi shortcut. At the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info Wi-Fi network. Tap on it. At the network details page, tap on the share icon. And here we'll see the Wi-Fi password exactly for the chosen network that can be found right below the QR code. So from here you have two ways of connecting to this network. You can either take the device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with and manually locate, access this network and enter its password, or you can go ahead and take the device and scan the QR code. So I'll show how you can do that very easily and quickly. I'll use this Nokia Android smartphone as an example basically. And in order for me to scan the QR code, I'll be utilizing the built-in camera Google Lens. So let me just go ahead and frame this QR code, take a picture of it, wait for the software of the Google Lens to recognize it, and once it gets successfully read, the Google Lens provides us with the Join Network button, which we can go ahead and tap on. And as you will see, our Nokia will be successfully connected to exactly same network that we have just shared the Wi-Fi password of. So HardReset_Info. Alrighty, so great success. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.